We've recently had an approval for a general visitor visa for a Sri Lankan applicant coming to New Zealand, and it was approved in just 8 days. So today I want to share with you guys 2 really good tips for how to get a general visitor visa or a tourist visa approved. Now lately we receive a lot of inquiries from people who have had a general visitor visa declined, specifically people coming into New Zealand or trying to come into New Zealand to visit their partners who are either New Zealanders or work visa holders, or in some cases student visa holders. Now, in most cases, the applicants have reasonably good circumstances. They've provided evidence of ties to the home country, financial support, sponsorship, etc. But it's just not enough. So there's 2 things I want you all to consider. Number 1, be very clear in your intentions and your explanation about what you are doing in your travel and your plans to come to New Zealand. You need to be consistent, right? How long do you plan to come for? Do you have a letter of leave from your employer? Is it reasonable? Are you just sending a letter that says, I've got 6 months vacation, so I'm going to take it? Well, immigration is going to consider that all in terms of what's reasonable, what makes sense. And if something's slightly out of the ordinary or seems a little bit hard to grasp, explain more, give more detail, provide more documents. And the second thing that we really want everybody to understand is that you need to go extra hard on proving that you can and that you potentially intend to go back to your home country. But what does that mean in practice? Well, do you own anything? Do you own land? Do you own a house? Obviously, you may have a job. Do you have family? What do you do with your family? Do you have elderly parents that you need to look after? Is there evidence of that? Is somebody sick and that they need you to come back to look after them? Do you have assets? Do you have funds? Do you have money? How much money do you have? Where did it come from? Is it a large, big deposit in your bank statement from 3 weeks ago? Or is it, years and years of saving? These are all really important things. Because applying for a visa in New Zealand is not just checking the boxes of documents that they request. Those documents have to mean something. There has to be some substance to what the documents demonstrate. And in this particular case, it was a little bit hard because sometimes documentation from some countries is not so strong. So to get this visa approved quickly after submission, we spent time before the submission to make sure it's ready and prepared properly. Because you may have had a decline, it doesn't mean that your circumstances are not good enough for a visa. It may just mean that the case has not been put forward properly. It's all about presenting your case in a way that Immigration New Zealand understands and wants to see. So follow me for more tips and advice.